Meet Mike. He's living every entrepreneur's dream. After years of careful planning and saving, Mike opened his own business. Mike proudly hired his first employee, and as his company grew, hired many more. But then, one of his workers needed time off to care for a family member. Another was always coming in late and making mistakes. And a third was asking questions about overtime pay. Mike didn't know what to do. After all, he's an expert in running his business, not in human resources. He knew that if he didn't follow federal and state labor laws, he could be sued, and maybe even lose the company he'd worked so hard to build. So he started doing a little research on labor laws and employee policies on the internet, but he got even more confused. Suddenly, Mike's dream was turning into a nightmare. Mike needed HR help, and fast. He needed an expert, a guide to help him manage all the day-to-day employee issues and comply with the law. Lucky for Mike, he found HR360. HR360 is an award-winning professional online resource with an expansive HR library and compliance ebooks that are always written and updated by a team of attorneys and HR specialists. More than 120,000 businesses use HR360. HR360 made it easy for Mike to navigate the complex world of HR and helped protect his business. It was like having a mini HR department at his fingertips. Using HR360's extensive resources and frequently asked questions, all written in plain English, Mike learned the how-tos of interviewing and hiring, evaluating employee performance, and the must-dos when firing an employee. He became familiar with overtime requirements and other pay issues, family medical leave laws, and how to discipline employees. Mike was also able to access time-saving tools like a job description builder and salary benchmarking center. Using HR360, Mike could easily download more than 500 forms, posters, and even create an employee handbook. Now he had the missing piece of the puzzle to his business: HR compliance and peace of mind. So be smart like Mike. Stay on top of your HR responsibilities with HR360.